We're sailing. We're sailing. We're sailing. Is that one in? Yeah. Good job.
And the wrench is right there.
I was a little worried because.
Straight down?
Yeah. I was a little worried because these things kept popping up last time we went sailing, so. But
we could only finger tighten.
Yeah, Pete brought a wrench and tightened it up more. So we were gonna drill a hole and put a pin in it because we weren't sure if these were gonna tighten up or I don't know if they were gonna stay. But they seem to be doing it, so that's cool. Which we lost the sandbar. We were trying to get to it before, but we actually forgot to bring the sail, Pete. Actually, me too. We brought the dinghy down, and then Pete all of a sudden was like, "Oh, we gotta go get the sail."
It's coming back.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to let this thing go by me. Step over that. I don't remember that at all.
Yay!
Try to make sure we can get back to where we came from before we get too far. Hang on, we got a little weight coming. That's why I want Layla back here. My nose done. Layla, come here.
Actually, it did okay.
Okay.
It has that Dutch bill, so
good.
it's good.
Okay,
Yeah, everything's good. I left Layla's water at the. I pointed her water out and then we forgot it. Oh well. Need some weight back there?
Yeah, we're a little bow heavy. Good. She doesn't need that. Just
yeah, you don't need your leash. Oh,
come here.
Freedom. Come on.
Good girl.
Good girl. Yeah.
The rudder comes out of the water. That would be good.
Yay!
Now you see why I wanted to go sailing?
Yeah.
I was scared about it.
I was scared. I didn't want to flip it because we're not really. I don't know. Can you rate this thing?
Yeah. It won't sink.
We should practice
we
flipping
got a bail
it.
jug?
Yeah.
We got a bail jug.
Yeah.
I ain't practicing shit. I can get this thing over.
We took a beetle
I'll
cat.
get on the top of it, on the back of it, and ride it in.
We took a beetle cat out with Ann, and we were burying the rail, man. It was fun.
On this, you're gonna.
we were all laughing and screaming, man. We were like, ah!
Well, this boat can be fun too if you go out with a breeze, and we don't have enough wind right now. Actually, we need more wind. Everyone always thinks you got too much wind. It's usually always not enough.
Yeah, it's a lot scarier when you come from land. It's kind of stressful because it's like you hear all the trees rustling.
We lost headway on that time. I hope we don't have to row in. They say the current's coming in, but this weather's not doing too good so far. What are we doing this time? At least we know we can row this thing.
We can't tack it.
Fuck. Tack row. Fuck, don't do that. Hold on. Let me get some speed going.
Want a jibe?
No, let me just try again.
Oh, we're getting shallow.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Whoa, we're getting shallow.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it now. There we go.
Yay!
Is the lead board still down?
Yeah? I don't know about that side.
Yeah, it is.
You better let the sail out if you need to. I'll check. I think it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
The up one that you worry about anyway.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's in the water. We're sailing, Layla. Is this fun? Is this nice? Yay, Layla. Sail's a little twisted. That's okay.
Yeah, well, that should help the sail.
That's what I was saying. When you did that, I was like, why are you doing it so it's tight?
Well, so I don't have to sit here and hold it. But if I need to let it go, I just...
Layla's gonna make us heel more. Are you making us feel more? Yay!
Yeah, let go of the rudder for 1 second, man. She's pointing up into the wind.
That's good. Wow!
Try to pull that rope right out of there, Bert. And you hold on to it. Pull it out of that knot hole. No, the other way.
Oh, God!
Now you hold on to it.
Okay.
You got it? Okay, right about there.
Got it.
Okay, that's good. Now if I tell you let go of it, let go of it.
Okay.
There you go, lean out a little.
Eee.
You're coming back the other way. How are we doing on drift? Are we drifting away from the VW?
No, it seems to be okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we're doing good.
I'm trying to get up in the bay. Lose our wind in here. Pull it just a little tighter. There you go. Hold that there.
Eee.
Alright, let's come about and see how we do on this time.
Okay.
If we switch to the other side, pull it in tight.
Layla pull the switches
Tight.
too.
Tight, good.
You want to step around it?
That's perfect. That looks pretty good.
You want to step over it, Sally?
Maybe a
Huh?
little tighter, Cardi. Ready? Okay, hold back. That's what we did last time. Whoever was up there held it.
Good girl. You know how to sail. Although Layla's got a lot of weight on the side. We're like,
I think we're gonna tip over with her. I just need to catch a little more wind.
yeah, maybe I
Keep
can
it
let it
low.
out.
Keep it tight. It was good. It's just the wind's not blowing hard.
Okay.
We're gonna get it now. There we go.
Yeah.
Keep it tight because I want to point up as far as I can.
There's a lee boarder over there. We're gonna go check it out. Layla's getting very anxious. She wants
She's a big crybaby.
she wants to go to shore.
So,
I'm getting hungry too.
oh God.
Hungry.
You can eat anytime. When can you go sail?
True. Here we go. Now we're sailing. What? Oh yeah. Oh, don't fall in, girl. Don't fall in. Yeah, the boat heels a little bit here. Get your foot off my foot.
You better chill out.
Yee.
Must be shallow over here too.